Special series Asian Tiger, CNBC TV 18's Nimesh Shah caught up with Gary Pinge of Comgest in Hong Kong. He began by asking him about the stocks that he's betting on.
When you look at companies like Power Grid and Bharat Heavy, you have seen a lot of orders coming through. What's more important is that a lot of the orders have been, a lot of the work that they've done previously has started to get commissioned as well in terms of, and there's a lot more stability on tariffs as well. And so I think you've seen some of that starting to come through in the share prices. You know, for Bharat Heavy, it's been a little bit more difficult because the orders have started to come through more recently. But again, if you take a longer term view, and I think if you try to see what India is trying to achieve from a 5-10 year standpoint, I think sectors like power are going to be very critical to achieving what India wants to achieve. We focus on looking at companies where there are significant barriers to entry and they have competitive advantages. So for us, the way that we play the banking sector is by finding companies that have very strong distribution platforms and as I said, very strong competitive advantages. So the way that we look at it is by looking at companies such as Shriram Transport, for instance, which has a great rural network. It has a great ability to help finance and help fund a lot of the equipment and a lot of the auto related investments that rural India makes. So that would be our kind of core holding.
All right, that's the view from Hong Kong. Now, after going through some turbulent times,